Hey guys, it's Jessie with the National Park Service team, and this month's episode of Outside Science, Inside Parks is here in the beautiful Acadia National Park, where some teens with EarthWatch are getting some hands-on experience gathering some important data. Check it out. Speaker is high school student Sophia.
It's been incredible. We spent the past 2 days working in mostly a forest. So we were gathering data that was looking at how the phenology of plants and birds has changed.
Video shows a student putting a mesh bag over a branch of a plant. Video shows green berries on a plant and then a blueberry in someone's hand. Video shows a bird flying low over ocean water.
And ultimately, we're trying to compare the timing of when the fruit is ripe, when it falls off the tree, and see how that affects when birds are able to get the fruit that they need during their migration.
Speaker is high school student Zoey.
EarthWatch is a program that sends volunteers to different research projects to collect, some collect data, some do other things.
Speaker is high school student Serena.
This is like a really nice thing to do for all of us because for once, like instead of being in a science lab we would in school, we're out in the fields, we're actually like in the woods where no one else is, and we're actually setting out plots and setting out bags, and like we see what we get.
Video shows students observing contents of a clear plastic bag.
So we were randomly assigned numbers on this tape measure to measure out these plots.
Video shows high school boy reeling in tape. Speaker is high school student Matthew.
So right now we're looking for one of our 7 species that we're to identify, and from there we're trying to see how many berries or fruit that they have.
Video shows students examining forest floor. Serena speaks again.
The soap water is put in here so that we can trap insects, so the soap makes the surface tension lower so the insects can fall in. And then this is 2 days later now, and we're collecting the water and seeing what insects are left in here as a way to test the insect distribution in Acadia.
Speaker is EarthWatch Operations Manager Caroline Nassif.
I think it's really important to bring teenagers out into the field because what we find is that a lot of them, before they get the experience in the field, they think that science is, indoors or in a lab. And so I think it's really important to show them the different side of science, that they get to be outside and do things out in nature and learn a different way.
Video shows a small worm crawling across someone's finger.
It's like blind. It's trying to feel its way across. I love it.
Zoey speaks again.
You're never going to have the same experiences if you're collecting the data with your own hands and really being outside and realizing how science is just everywhere.
Sophia speaks again. Video shows scientists explaining tasks to students.
It's been so much more hands-on than anything I've ever done before. It's just been exciting to have a real scientist we've been working with who, I've been able to ask so many questions, and it's just exciting to be constantly surrounded by what we're studying and to actually be exploring something new that we don't have all the answers to.
Video shows a small brown frog jumping towards the screen. Sorry, this frog jumped at me. Thanks for watching Outside Science, Inside Parks. Be sure to check in each month for new episodes.